Okay, so I'm just gonna let him now to continue left to level 11. So I'm not being really experienced with kind of. I'm just what? Okay, wait. Ow. Oh my god, they had fucked up. That's scary, I was freaking. Whoopsies. Okay, so this one's gonna be like that was blue. Ready? Unless I do that. Oh yeah, I don't have it, so I guess I'll just leave it. Look at this.